Hi everyone, this is Priyanshu. Welcome back to the Jordan Technology tutorial. So today we are going to learn is what is decorators. Basically, there is three types of decorator at the rate API, at the rate track, at the rate wire. So let's start with the at the rate API. As you know, there are mainly three decorators in LWC API to expose a public property, decorated it with at the API. Public properties are reactive. If the value of a reactive property changes, the component re-renders. It is very useful for communicating with parent to child component. So basically, at that API is a public property, so it can communicate with the other component. Other component means the it can send data from parent to child component. So that's why it is a public property. So we use that API to get the data from the parent to child component. So this is the API. So let's move to the VS Code that can easily understand the thing. I made a reactive public property component. This is the HTML file. This is a JS file. This is a configuration file. So let's start from the HTML file. On the HTML file, add I added a child component. This is a child component, and I'm passing a world property. It's called a public property. You can say this, and the JS file is blank, and this component will display on the home page only. So that's why I use Lightning home page. So open the source component. This is the source component at .js, and this is the XML file. So this is HTML file. This is a JS file of source component. So I'm getting this world property using at that API. I import this at that API from the LWC, and getting data uh, using at that API. So sending data, you can say here, and I'm getting this data here, and display this world variable on the HTML file. Hello world. So you can easily understand the thing. So why we use API at that API decorator to communicating with the parent to child component. That's why we use the at that API component. So let's start. Let's again. Second point is at that track. So basically, to track private property value and re-renders a component when it changes, decorator the property with the at that track properties are also called reactive properties. Note, after Spring 20 release, the at the rate track decorator has been depreciated. So yeah, basically it is a depreciated already. So we use without at the rate track. Track means it can communicate with the on component, not communicating with the other component. So that's why it's a private property. Public means it can communicate with the other component, parent to child. But here it can communicate with the own component. When value changes, then it will automatically update it on the property. So let's I can display the example. So close this previous file. That can you easily understand the things. Reactive private property. This is a private property, and this is the HTML file. Here there is a input button and the message display here. So when I change the message, it will automatically update. So that's why it is a private property. It reactive the property. So the by default message is reactive property and handler change event. So this is the automatically change the message. I can show you in the example. Let's move to the org. I have to add that component in the home page. Add it. I can show the add that API component example here also. I have to add that component in the home page. So this is a reactive private property. This is a reactive public property. Save this file and back to the home page. So in the reactive property, when I change the value in the input box, it will automatically change in the below message, like a reactive property at the rate track. So as you can see, it will automatically changes in the below message. So this is a private property. It reactive the property. So let's move to the at that API example. So here I change the message like hello a world from target. I sending the message from the parent component and it display in the child component. So I added the child component in the parent component. So this is the example of the API and this is the example of the at the track. So this is the track example, and you can easily understand the this. I made a input box and message is by default is here reactive property, and on change is event did occur, on change event is occur, and the message I'm getting that input value event dot target dot value, and the this dot message one is changes. Okay, so let's move to the at that wire decorator. So wire decorator, using wire we can access the Apex classes or Salesforce data. So yeah, wire is like accessing the Apex method and the Salesforce data. So this is called a wire. So I can show you the example how to use wire. So let's remove this, and my I made a component for this. I think contact component I made for this. Yeah, this is a component I made, and firstly I have to add this component on the JS on the home page, that you can easily understand the thing, uh, how it works at the wire, how how I'm getting the data from at the wire function decorator. So let's move to the home page and edit the home page. This is, oh, I did not define the target, that's why it's not displaying. Oh yeah, I have to do this, and targets. I have to show the lightning home page. Save this file and refresh this edit page of home page. So now it will display the component in the, yeah, no, it is not display again. Oh, I have to deploy this component firstly. Deploy source to org. Then it will display it there. Oh, something wrong. Oh, target CARGTS. Now it will display the component. I have to deploy this code. Deploy source to org. Now it successfully deploy the code. Now refresh this edit page of home page. Hopefully it will display the content component. Yeah, now it's gone. Oh, it's I have to display this component here so you can easily understand the thing. Yeah, and save this edit page and back to the home page. So as you can see, there is a listing of contact details. There is a context of details, and here is when I search of the contact like A and D. This is it will display this name. I can search any name as you want. So let's move to the code that can we understand the things. So this is a contact info.js file, and this is the HTML file. So in this JS file, I'm getting data from @wire function. So I'm getting this. Uh, this is my Apex class contact LWC, and this is a method of the get all contact. So I can show you the class contact LWC. So close this file, and so this is the class contact LWC that and this is a method public static list type and get all contacts, and I'm written the all the contacts. So and I'm accessing this get all contacts and import get all contacts from this is a Salesforce Apex contact LWC get all contacts. So you can understand the things hopefully, and at that where I use and access that variable, and the this variable run the method get all content, and the all data written in the con variable, and the con variable display in the HTML file con dot I can access data in the con dot data. So and I use for loop template for each con dot data 4 items, and the one row get each time, and cn is the variable for dependent on one row, and the cn id and cn name are displayed. So this is a listing of simple wire function. So if I want to manipulate the wire function on the JS file, so this for another function. So the same method I will call, wire get contact and contact function. So I'm getting data into two variable. If I will get the error, then it will display in the error variable, and I'm if I will successfully get the data, it will go to the data variable. If data is equal, this is data track, and this is if I manipulate the data, so I can manipulate here. So in this condition, I cannot manipulate in the JS file. I I have to display on the directly into the HTML file. But here I can manipulate the data in this file. So basically in wire we can data access uh, in two types using this is the simplest method, and this is a wired function, you can say. So here I can manipulate the data if I want. So, so the both function working as same, but difference is I can manipulate the data here, and here I cannot manipulate the data. Here I con.data I can access the data, and here the from two variables I can access the data. So if you can see the same list here. So mainly we get the in two ways, simple and the wired function, you can say. So let's move to the another, how we pass the uh, how we pass the argument in the wire function. So this is processing of, if I pass the name, it will return the list of contact. So first I have to show the class. So this is my method. You have to or enable catchable is true if I use this method in the LWC. So this is the process, and the get contact by name, a parameter pass string name, and list, a new list created, uh, contact type, and cn is the variable. And if the blank, if is not blank, then it will run the query, select id name phone from contact where name like is equals to key. So, so it will display the list of contact but as per the we name pass. Okay, and let's move the JS file. Here I can show you the first move to the HTML file. So first we made a HTML file. This is our input text box. Here we uh, input the name of the content. So on change event is occur, search content, and the value of where is cont name is by default is null. So you can see here by default value here is cont name is equal and on change event is occur, search content, search content. Okay, and so on change event is occur, value is get from event dot detail dot value, and this cont dot as well, and here is wired function call. So wired function is called get contact by name. I call this method here. I'm calling this method here, and data comma error. And here it passes the argument. This is the process of passing the argument uh, in the apex method. So I can pass multiple arguments here using comma. Like I have to pass like id, so I can pass the id of, but I have to use dollar sign before variable, and like I have to pass like any variable like my variable. So you can pass multiple values in the argument, and I'm getting data. This is the above code I already explained. So in the data, I'm get accessing the data, and error. If I will get the error, then it will show error the console.log. So yeah, so this is how it's working. Wire function. It is very easy, and so this is from my end. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.